Good morning everyone and welcome back. Now this is a video I have done before but with the drone only, so now I've got the GoPro as well. I thought I'd redo some videos properly, which is why I'm back to show you. This is Cwmbran Boating Lake. Now this is one of 3 car parks, but this is the one I've parked in. All of these car parks do get very full, especially during the summer. So let's take you along and show you. This is one of the fields where they like to hold events, such as the Cwmbran Big event. There's the cafe and boathouse right by there. And on this little bit right by here, they used to have little paddle boats out on this little bit of a lake, but I personally haven't seen them for a couple of years. But they used to be great fun. Here's another angle of the boathouse, and I think they got some kind of park running event on today. And this is the main lake. Obviously very busy with birds this time of year. It's also a very popular lake for fishermen. They bring their tents here and all sorts. So we're right at the bottom of the lake now, and there's a bit of a woodland walk in here, so I'll show you a little bit of that now. And here is the river, which I believe feeds the lake and runs right directly past it. Perfect for letting your dog go in for a jump around and play with the stones. So as you can hear from the footage, it's very quiet, very peaceful, even with an event going on. Bit of a circle a bit by here at the end. And I believe the exit of these little bits of woods is just by there. To give you a bit of perspective, we entered just around this corner by here and went that way. And we came out just down by here. There's also a model boat club that come down to the boating lake to play with their boats in the lake, and I believe they do that just by here. I'm sure it's once a week they do it. So there's the boathouse, and right by the side of the boathouse in that little bit by there is where the public toilets are. These are the two main big fields down the boating lake, and these are only used for football. You think they'd use these for main events too, but they don't. And this is where the other two car parks are. There's one just there, and then there's a road going past here, and the other side of the road is the other car park. And here's where the water comes from that feeds the boating lake. Well, I don't want to get any closer than this, I don't want to capture children's faces, but this is the park. You can see there's plenty to do here. We're just by the side of the park. The park is just through those bushes by there. And in this little spot, they used to have brick barbecues where you could have your own little barbecue under the shade of the trees next to the river by here, where you could, you know, go in with your dogs and your kids. But they've all disappeared now. I'm guessing kids have destroyed them and they've not bothered to replace them anymore. This is the famous little red door. It's been here ever since I was a little child. So much so they've chopped the tree down and left the door. So that was Cwmbran Boating Lake done properly. I hope you enjoyed it more than you did the first one I did, which was just a drone. I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.